Hello planner friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an extra special video for you. Today I will be announcing my kit collaboration with Planner Just For You. I know Sophie has posted a couple photos on her Instagram. I will of course leave her Instagram linked down below for you to check those out. So a couple of months ago, I think, Sophie asked on her Planner Just For You Instagram if anybody had any ideas to create a kit, and I did respond to that Instagram post, and here it is. She brought it to life. She brought my idea to life. So my idea was to do like a starry night camping sort of themed kit, and Sophie did an absolutely beautiful job bringing this kit to life. I am so excited to be able to share this with you guys, and just wanted to give you a little bit of additional information about it before it goes live. So this kit will be released on the Planner Just For You website on Tuesday, July 13th. I believe Sophie is also having a 20% off sale. I will link her Instagram post where she mentions this down below in the description box if you are interested in checking that out. And yeah, so my plan is for this video to go live on Monday, so the day before this kit is actually released, so that you can take a look at the kit before you purchase it. And without further ado, I think we'll just get into this. Oh, I should also mention that there are a couple of additional new releases that will be on Sophie's website as well. There are some hand lettering stickers that will be new on her website on Tuesday also, in Sophie's design font, and also in the handwriting of Just a Little Planner Bee on Instagram. I will go ahead and link Sophie's post where she has basically all of her new releases down below in the description box in case you are interested in checking any of them out. So without further ado, let's get into the kit. So like I mentioned, this was kind of like a starry night camping themed kit, and it's so cute. It's everything I've ever wanted in a kit. It's gorgeous, and I'm so excited. So thank you so much, Sophie, for collabing with me. This is incredible, and I'm just so happy with how it turned out. So thank you. So this is the full box sheet. You've got the 4 individual full boxes here, and then you've got 2 double boxes here. They are split in the middle, so you can use them individually if you would like to. And yeah, they're just all like nighttime camping, summer camping themed, and I thought that they turned out super, super cute. These are all photos as well, just in case you were wondering. So the next sheet is the sort of like washi and functional sheet. So you've got the 2 strips of washi here, you've got your weekly tracker, there are a couple flags here, the date covers, and then 3 habit trackers. I usually use 3 habit trackers in my spreads pretty much every week. So there are 3 here in case you like to do that as well, or you could definitely extend this kit to use it for more than 1 week if you feel so inclined. All of the boxes, the width, I believe they're all 1.5 inches, like your standard typical like vertical planner like I have here. These are the Jasenia A5 wide inserts for reference. In case you are wondering, I just wanted to have them here for a size reference. But yes, I believe all of these stickers are 1.5 inches wide. And did I mention that all of the fonts are in Sophie's design font? I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but they are all in her design font, and I think they turned out super, super cute. So that is the washi page. And then the last full sheet of stickers is basically all labels. So you've got 4 half boxes in the glitter format, you've got 4 half boxes in the solids, you've got some fancy labels here and some quarter boxes here, and then some little things sized labels up here, all in coordinating colors that go with the kit. So that is the last like full size functional sheet. Next, we've got a couple of half sheets. This one is the icon sheet, and these are all like kiss cut icons in coordinating kit colors. So they're not circle icons, but they are like kiss cut around the icons. So you've got your typical icons that you would use in like a usual week, typical week. And then you've also got some camping icons. Like I love this little owl. It's so super cute. A backpack, a camera, campfire, just all kinds of cute little like outdoorsy camping themed icons. This just turned out super, super cute. And then of course the glitter headers page. There are 7 of each color, I believe. And I love the colors with these full boxes. They just turned out so well. Like this orange that goes with the fire. Oh, stunning, stunning. Sophie, you did a fantastic job. Thank you. I'm so excited. And then the last part of the non-foiled sheets is this little freebie right here. So this is a 7-star checklist. We designed it that way in case you wanted to stretch your kit for more than 1 week, or, you know, in case you have, I mean, you can use it like a checklist in your sidebar if you want to use it that way, or if you just wanted to use it as like another weekly checklist in your sidebar, you could do that too. And then it was Sophie's idea to also include these water trackers. If you've watched my Plan With Me's for a while, you know that I used water trackers pretty much in every single spread, because if I don't mark it in my planner, I don't drink water. So it was Sophie's idea to include these, and they turned out so super cute. I'm so excited. And yeah, they are just on this freebie, and that's it for the non-foiled items. So getting into the foiled items, the first sheet is this functional kind of sheet. It's got your weekend banner, some star deco pieces here. Some of them are like filled in stars, some of them are just the outlines. You've got the date dots, and I just have this in the silver foil, by the way. I believe you will be able to choose your foil color if you are so inclined. And then the quote. Sophie picked this quote. I had a really hard time finding a quote, and she found this one, and it was perfect, so we went with it. It's "The stars in her eyes outshine the stars in the sky," and I thought it was super, super cute. So we went with that as well. But yes, so your weekend banner, your deco pieces, and you can use these as overlays on the boxes because this is like a clear sticker paper as well. Your date dots and your quote. And then last but not least, we have these glitter header overlays. There are 28 on this page. They are just the star outline. We wanted to do something a little bit different than like the super itty bitty stars that are pretty common in the planner community. Just wanted to do something a little bit different, and it was Sophie's idea to just use the outline. And I think they are really cute. I really love how all of this turned out. I'm over the moon excited about this kit, and like I mentioned, it does come out on Tuesday, July 13th. There will be a sale that day, and I will go ahead and link Sophie's post about the sale down in the description box below for you guys if you're interested in checking anything out. As always, I do leave my code for Sophie's shop down in the description box in every one of my videos since I've received the code. So that will be listed down below, as well as the Planner Just For You website. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I've forgotten. Oh, I should mention, if I didn't before, I can't recall if I've mentioned this or not, but the kit you can purchase with or without the foil, and then I believe you can also purchase like individual sheets from the kit on her website as well. I believe the full price with like the kit plus the foil all together, I believe that's $25 USD, and then anything else will be like a little bit less expensive if you start leaving elements of the kit out or purchase sheets individually. But I will refer you to the website for all of the pricing because that's where it will be most accurate. The kit right now on Planner Just For You's website, I believe is listed as coming soon, but as soon as it goes live on Tuesday, you'll be able to see it there, if that makes sense. So I think I've covered everything. I will also leave a little bit of a clip at the end of this video where you can see this kit sort of in action. I'm going to be filming a Plan With Me on this for the week of July 12th. So the week that the kit comes out, I am using this kit in my planner. Sophie did send it to me early, which was super kind of her. And so I'll be showing you a little like sneaky peek clip of how this kit looks like before the pen in my planner. So stay tuned for that. But I think that covers pretty much everything I wanted to mention in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much, Sophie, for collabing with me on this kit. This has just been an absolutely incredible experience, and I could not do this without all of my lovely planner friends, all of my lovely subscribers. So Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this kit. I hope it brings a smile to your face. Please go check out Planner Just For You, her website, and her Instagram. Everything, as always, will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you in my next video. It'll be another Plan With Me very, very soon.